Morning to one and all. I'm Mohanapriya, Assistant Professor of Computer Science Engineering in R.M.K. College. Today I'm going to take Reinforcement Learning, Unit 1, Introduction Element of Reinforcement Learning. So, coming part of introduction, reinforcement learning is nothing but the branch of machine learning, how to agent can learn to make sequential environment to achieve the specific goals and maximum curricular rewards. So unlike supervised learning is a label data, and supervised learning model patterns is a unlabeled data. So what are the interaction with an environment is known as is nothing but RL. That is means reinforcement learning. So agent and environment, it's involved the agent interact with the environment. So agent prefer the environment status, take action and receive feedbacks in the form of rewards and new status. What are the goals in RL means to learn the policy, the strategies or mapping from state to action that maximize the curriculum rewards over time. These are introduction part. Now let's we move on the elements of reinforcement learning. What are the elements to provide the reinforcement learning means? An agent, environment, state, action, reward, policy. You have the example, you've taken as example like gaming part. So these comes under these, or you have to imagine the gaming part. The agent, what is the target of agent? Interact with the environment. And status of environment, select action and receive reward based on the action. State transition comes under the action. So the agent is provide the feedback to the environment and form of the reward and new status. This is called environment. So what are the states? Is presenting the current situation and configuration of environment, all the relevant information needed to decision making the step-by-step process, that is called state. So the actions is made up of based on the agent policies and current state of the environment. So actions is done means next the rewards comes under the environment feedback and agent will react the interacting and intimated benefit for the disciple of state action pair. So state and action that propose to the reward and next will comes under the policy. So policy is nothing but mapping state to action the guide and agent to make over the decision making process. This is called policy. So these are under elements of reinforcement learning, and the reinforcement learning is one gaming part. We have to take in the examples, and these comes are under the agent, environment, state, action, rewards, policy. These are under all. This comes under the elements of the small part of the reinforcement learning. So the next topic I will explain about the algorithm, the grinding bandwidth algorithm. I will explain the next topic. So these are the introduction part of reinforcement learning. So the environment, how the causes are taken, the action, reward, and policy, environment, and agent. These are and all how could form the gaming play to convert it into the rewards and change the states again and again. So the environment starting agent will process the game start and end to the environment. This is a process, that is a procedure to choose the gaming functions. So the gaming function will propose to the reinforcement learning in machine learning part, the core part of machine learning. Okay. So students, next class I will discuss about the algorithms. So you please learn the part of the elements and introduction. Okay. Thank you. So next class we will discuss about the algorithms. Thank you.